Well, the day's here. Well, the day's here. I just left about 10 minutes ago. It's early morning, 7:15. Time to go camping. Truck is in a nice little parked area, which I really don't like anywhere, or I'm not truly comfortable because there's a lot of wetland out here because it's been raining down so heavy. I may set up my hammock around there because it's still in the middle of the preserve, and at that point I can go and explore and at least know I have somewhere safe to sleep in the middle of the woods. Because, well, quite frankly, I am in the middle of the woods. Very sandy road. I can feel my feet digging in. And right here it's about 33 pounds. That'll be the first thing I try to downgrade because this is heavy on my back. It's not my back, it's my shoulders I feel it on. I really want to kick right. Oh, and this is what I'm coming to. Let's kick right. Ah. I've met my end of this path. Time to turn around. So, I'm going to make the smart decision. That little empty parking space is absolutely perfect. Still surrounded by woods, still going to be out overnight. I think that's the smart decision. This is my first time. I don't want to go too deep. I don't know. I'll explore without all of this on and make sure I got a nice easy campsite, and we'll go from there. All right, so I'm slightly cheating. If you notice, all around me is woods. Everywhere. Everywhere. Except, so the biggest thing I'm cheating about is I got my truck. Either way, there's a couple of reasons why I'm doing this. One, I'm still in the middle of nowhere. literally still in the middle of nowhere. But the real reason why I'm kind of cheating is twofold. One, it's my first time. I don't want to try and find the perfect spot to camp and then halfway through realize I am screwed at that campsite and have to pack everything up and move for any number of reasons that my head can't really comprehend. And at the same time, one thing that I've been nervous about from the start, even going to think about doing this, is a campfire. Until I kind of learn the aspects of so-called respecting fire, the one thing I do like about this place specifically with that reason, it is covered with these rocks. Covered with these rocks. Now there's pine, but it has been wet and rainy over the past couple of weeks. So what I'm thinking I'll be okay with is, even though it's piney like this, it'll still be wet enough to where it can't catch so easy, especially because of all the rocks. I think what I might do, because I feel like I'm cheating, being so close to the truck like that, I think I'm almost going to treat these trees as my hammock site. Because if you notice, again, river, woods, 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 but on the other side of those woods right there is my truck. I honestly think this is going to be a perfect spot. I can't believe I found this. Right next to water for fire. I got the trees. I'm almost upset that I drove upon this perfect campsite. But I'm still going to explore, still going to treat it as if I'm not next to my truck and go from there. So let's get this party started.
And dust on the frame. The magnolias bloom like they're whispering name. Mama lit candles, said don't ask why, while Daddy drank ghosts in the pale firelight. The preacher said the Lord forgives, but this house don't forget the things we did. Southern sin carved in wood in the churchyard, dirt and the cotton blood. We wear grace like a second skin, but the devil keeps knocking where the light won't win. Oh, hallelujah, with a serpent's grin. Ain't no clean getting out of southern sin. I kissed you once where the kudzu climbs underneath the cross and the wind-choked pines. You said some love burns, some love blinds, but I saw your soul in that funeral line. Mama said to bite my tongue, but silence sounds like loaded guns. sin carved in wood in the churchyard, dirt in the cotton blood. We wear grace like a second skin, but the devil keeps knocking where the light won't win. Oh, hallelujah, with a serpent's grin. Ain't no clean getting out of southern sin. The choir sings with a crooked smile, buried truths in the baptism hour, and every hymn's a ghost I know, still walking home on a red clay road. Southern sin carved in wood, born in the bones where the blackbird stood. We drink guilt like communion wine, praying for a fire that'll cleanse this time. Oh, hallelujah, let the flood begin. Wash me down, but I'll still bleed. Southern sin carved in wood in the churchyard, dirt in the
I'm gonna now go through and try and find a couple of good branches to fix up my tarp. Got the sticks I needed. The Y. Got the Y stick. Why? That'll help give an awning to my tarp. Because then, as I lay in my hammock for a little bit, I can get a view of the river.
the cross and the wind-choked pines. You said some love burns, some love blinds, but I saw your soul in that funeral line. Mama said to bite my tongue, but silence sounds like loaded guns. Southern sin carved in wood in the churchyard, dirt in the cotton blood. We wear grace like a second skin, but the devil keeps knocking where the light won't win. Oh, hallelujah, with a serpent's grin. Ain't no clean getting out of southern sin. The choir sings with a crooked smile, buried truths in the back.
Now I got to go find some firewood, at least to start us for the night, because, well, I'm going to need it. And the problem is I don't have anything other than a little machete, so I ain't taking down good sized trees. But we'll see how that goes. I wonder how things like this would go. All right, well, I'll have to go find some firewood. I saw a pile of what looks like dried wood I'm gonna see if I can't go scrounge some and get myself a nice set of firewood. All in all, good time, good day. So far, it's still early. I got my hammock set up, got my tarp. I do need to go find a couple of different branches to help hold the front up because, well, I want that different, not something like that. Well, here's the big wood pile. And by God, is it a lot. All right, well, I've got some firewood. I think I've got everything I've gotten out of that dead pile. Now, actually, I'm going to see if I can't tip that branch back over to the road, because that'll be good too. Well, that was a success. That's there waiting to get picked up. And honestly, I'm okay with the fact that I got the truck there. That makes this nice. It makes it more entertaining for me, at least just starting out, because remember, first time. I want to make sure I enjoy this as much as possible so that I go again and again and again and again and try and build up each time. So for now, I'm taking it easy in the parking aspect of something bluff landing, a boat landing. It's amazing. Found, love it. Not perfect, far from it, I know. Ignore that, but it works. I think I might have gone a little too big or too tall. Because quite frankly, I'm 6'2", and I'm just over. So if I'm trying to lean and sleep, I'd say I'm trying to lean and sleep. I'd say I'm probably at a good 8-foot poles all the way through. 8 feet, ain't no joke. One thing that I have noticed or learned is it's a lot of material for a lean-to. Here is not the place for that. I would have to be deeper in the middle with more than just a Walmart machete. Walmart machete, I can feel that thing breaking in my hands, and it ain't even breaking in my hands yet. I think we're gonna do more along the lines of more family stuff. I think that's something that would be cool. This is definitely something we can come and camp to with a couple kayaks, and I think she would absolutely love it. Yesterday went well. Spent 12 hours and then some dark clouds rolled in, so I left. It didn't rain, so I was a little butthurt, but I wanted to get things taken down during the day without rain for my first time. Just in case it did rain, I wasn't taking everything down in the water or in the rain, in the dark. But I did a thing. I wanted a kayak, and I went to go buy one, and that's what showed me the dark clouds. But today, I found one on Facebook Marketplace for $175. So, quite frankly, I did a thing, but I'm having a grand old time. Okay, so remember how I said I did a thing?
Right onto State Highway 57 North.
Shh. Remember how I said I did a thing? I did another thing. I started this morning with no kayaks. By
Continue on State Highway 57 North.
10:52, I had a kayak. And by it is 1:46, I have 2. Sorry, and you're welcome, babe. All in all, I understand the trip got deviated, but I'd say by the time I'm supposed to be home from the original trip, again, the new trip was pretty successful. Now I'm on my way home. She doesn't know I have 2. She knows I have 1. She doesn't know I have hers.